Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to link interactive brokers with TradingView. I'll be walking you through this on the web version. You'll need an active interactive brokers account with at least $1 in it, and a paid TradingView plan. The free basic plan doesn't support broker connections. First, open your web browser and go to tradingview.com/chart. You'll see the full chart interface load with a symbol search, time frame selector, and chart view. Next, we need to open the trading panel. Look in the lower right corner of the screen, you'll see a small arrow button. Click that arrow to expand the trading panel. It'll slide up from the bottom of the screen showing broker options and account information sections. Once the trading panel is open, you'll see tiles for different brokers. Find the Interactive Brokers tile. It'll have the Interactive Brokers logo and name on it, and click on it. A pop-up window will appear. In that window, click the Connect button. This opens the login screen. Before you enter your credentials, you need to choose your trading mode. Above the username field, you'll see options for live trading or paper trading. Click whichever one you want to use. The pop-up changes color to help you: gray for live trading, red for paper trading. If you're using paper trading, you'll need your paper account username and password, not your live account credentials. Once you've selected your mode, you can't change it until you log out and reconnect. Now enter your Interactive Brokers username and password in the fields, then click Login. After you authenticate, an agreement screen pops up. On the agreement screen, type your name in the field provided, then click I agree. This is a one-time agreement. You only need to sign once for the connection. Once you've signed the agreement, the connection is complete. You'll see Interactive Brokers appear below the chart with a green dot next to it. That green dot means you have an active live connection. Your account details and trading stats will show up in the trading panel. A couple of quick tips. If you're using Interactive Brokers market data subscriptions, TradingView gives you 7 days of access. After that, you'll need to reconnect to refresh it. And to actually place a trade, search for any ticker symbol and click the trade button below the chart. This opens the order panel on the right side where you can fill out your order details. That's it. If this helped, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next one.